Did you know that your toothpaste, your coffee pods, and even your makeup might be damaging the planet? Most people have no idea that some of the products we use every day are contributing to plastic pollution, deforestation, and climate change. Today, I'm sharing 10 everyday products that are secretly harming the environment, and I'll show you eco-friendly alternatives that are just as effective, if not better. Stick around because 10 is something almost everyone is guilty of using. Number 1. Did you know that most toothpaste tubes aren't recyclable? Over 1.5 billion toothpaste tubes are thrown away each year, and most of them can't be recycled because they're made from a mix of plastic and aluminum. It takes over 500 years for a single toothpaste tube to break down. The chemicals in toothpaste can harm marine life when washed down the drain. Eco-friendly alternative. Switch to toothpaste tablets or natural toothpaste in glass jars. Look for toothpaste with biodegradable packaging. Number 2. Did you know that coffee pods create over 60 billion pieces of plastic waste every year? Single-use coffee pods are made from a mix of plastic and aluminum, which makes them non-recyclable in most cases. If you lined up every coffee pod thrown away in a year, they would circle the planet 12 times. Even compostable pods require industrial composting, which most people don't have access to. Eco-friendly alternative. Use a French press or a reusable metal coffee filter. Try refillable pods for your coffee machine. Number 3. Did you know that wet wipes are basically plastic? Most wet wipes are made from polyester or polypropylene, which means they're basically plastic. Wet wipes take 100 years to decompose. They clog sewage systems and create fatbergs, huge masses of solid waste, in city drains. Eco-friendly alternative. Use washable cotton rounds or reusable cloth wipes. For personal hygiene, switch to biodegradable bamboo wipes. Number 4. Did you know that most chewing gum contains plastic? Chewing gum is made from synthetic rubber, which is basically plastic. Over 100,000 tons of chewing gum are thrown away every year. Gum on sidewalks and streets ends up in storm drains, washing into oceans. Eco-friendly alternative. Look for gum made from natural chicle, a tree sap. Try plastic-free options like Simply Gum or Glee Gum. Number 5. Did you know that fast fashion is one of the biggest polluters? The fashion industry produces 10% of global carbon emissions, more than the aviation and shipping industries combined. A single pair of jeans takes 2,000 gallons of water to produce. Synthetic fabrics release microplastics when washed, which end up in oceans. Eco-friendly alternative. Buy from brands that use organic cotton, hemp, or bamboo. Thrift, upcycle, and repair clothes instead of throwing them away. Number 6. Did you know that plastic water bottles take 450 years to decompose? Over 1 million plastic bottles are bought every minute worldwide. Only 9% of plastic ever produced has been recycled. Plastic bottles break down into microplastics that contaminate oceans and water supplies. Eco-friendly alternative. Use a stainless steel or glass water bottle. Invest in a filtered water system to avoid bottled water. Number 7. Did you know that most cleaning products contain toxic chemicals? Most commercial cleaning products contain phthalates, ammonia, and chlorine, which are harmful to both people and the environment. These chemicals wash into waterways, harming marine life. They also contribute to indoor air pollution. Eco-friendly alternative. Make your own cleaner with vinegar, baking soda, and lemon. Look for products labeled non-toxic and biodegradable. Number 8. Did you know that disposable razors are a major source of plastic waste? Over 2 billion plastic razors are thrown away every year. Disposable razors are made from a mix of plastic and metal, making them impossible to recycle. The environmental impact of making disposable razors is huge due to plastic and metal production. Eco-friendly alternative. Switch to a safety razor with a recyclable metal handle. Try an electric shaver or reusable razor blades. Number 9. Did you know that plastic packaging from food products is the leading cause of ocean pollution? Single-use plastic packaging from snacks, drinks, and takeout containers accounts for 40% of all plastic waste. Most plastic packaging isn't recyclable and ends up in landfills or the ocean. Marine life often mistakes plastic waste for food, leading to injury or death. Eco-friendly alternative. Use beeswax wraps instead of plastic wrap. Choose products with minimal or compostable packaging. Number 10. Did you know that most sunscreens are harming coral reefs? Many sunscreens contain oxybenzone and octinoxate, which are toxic to coral reefs. These chemicals cause coral bleaching and damage marine ecosystems. An estimated 14,000 tons of sunscreen end up in the ocean each year. Eco-friendly alternative. Look for reef-safe sunscreen made with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. Wear a rash guard or hat for sun protection instead of relying on sunscreen alone. So, what was your favorite fact? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.